Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to watch multiple games on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. YouTube TV has introduced a new multi-view feature that is now available to all users. To access multi-view, go to the top Picks for You section on the left side of the screen. Select multi-view using your remote and it will launch the feature. Currently, you can see 2 streams on the screen, but there may be options for up to 4 streams in the future. The streams displayed are pre-selected and customization is expected to be added later. Notice the white border around the game on the left. This indicates which game will have audio. You can switch audio sources by using the arrows on your remote. If you want to go full screen with any game, simply press select on your remote. While watching in full screen, you can access additional options like stats and key plays by pressing down on your remote. Captions can also be turned on from this menu, and they will appear in the multi-view as well. To return to multi-view from full screen mode, click back on your remote. If you want to exit multi-view entirely, just click back again to return to the home screen. You can also access multi-view from individual games under the sports section or from the live guide when selecting a game that supports this feature. So that's basically how you can watch multiple games on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.